Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Snapdrop in your computer in a very simple way. Snapdrop is a airdrop style instant local file sharing that works through a browser. How you can simply download it, very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Snapdrop. Download. Click enter, and then you're going to get the first one, and now you can simply use Snapdrop over here. But the main fact is the Snapdrop, you can use it by simply a browser. As like if I just click here and if I just want to send this Goku file over to another device, then how it works, here is my file. So now I want to, and now if I just share it and simply give the email address, or maybe you have to just simply give the QR code, you can simply scan the QR code and it will going to get this Goku file over here. Very simple. So this is kind of the airdrop style, but it only works through browser. This is how you can simply use it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in videos. Till then, goodbye.